And here it comes. This is super cool. You've got the embossed or the textured PU leather. Look at it from the side. I mean, just look at the colors and the material. Your serial numbers as well as all the rest is embossed into the pink PU leather on the inside. It clicks so nicely, really such awesome quality. You need it on, you turn it on. You want to go to sleep, boom, it's off. Isn't that cool, man? All the devices that I need, whether I'm on holiday or traveling for business, they're charging simultaneously right next to my bed or on the fold-out tray in front of me or wherever. And if I put this here, I see. Okay, that's how it goes. So this one, MagSafe for your Apple Watch. This one, MagSafe for your iPhone. And here you can have either another phone or your AirPods. I really love these things. I want to know what you think about these devices. And yeah, we'll take it from there.